In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize and pick your favorite photos in Google Drive. This simple method will help you sort through your pictures more easily, highlight the ones you love most, and keep everything neatly arranged so you can access your cherished moments anytime. Let's get started. The first step is opening Google Drive. Head to your browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. If you are not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once you are on the main Drive screen, you will see all your saved files and folders. From here, we can begin organizing your photos. At the top of the page, look for the search bar. This search tool is extremely helpful because it allows you to filter your files quickly instead of scrolling endlessly. Click on the search bar and a menu will appear beneath it. In this menu, choose the type option. This lets you narrow your search down to only photos and images. Now select photos and images, then press enter. Google Drive will instantly filter your view so that only your stored pictures appear. This makes it much easier to browse through only your images without distractions from documents or videos. With your photos now visible, you can start selecting your favorites. Scroll through the images and click on one you would like to highlight. After selecting a photo, look for the three dots icon, also known as the options menu. Clicking it will open several tools for managing your file. Next, hover over the organize option. More choices will appear, including one called add to start. Click on add to start. This marks the photo as a favorite and places it in your Start folder, a special section designed for quick access to important or cherished files. You can go to the Start area anytime from the left side menu in Google Drive. Repeat this same process for as many photos as you want. Selecting your favorites this way keeps them grouped together in one convenient place. No more searching through hundreds of pictures to find the ones you value most. Everything you start will be neatly collected and ready for instant viewing. Organizing your photos like this is a great way to maintain order in your digital space. Whether you are sorting vacation memories, family pictures, or important images for work, using the Starred feature ensures the photos you care about most are always within reach. And that is all there is to it. You now know how to organize your photos and pick your favorites inside Google Drive using simple tools built right into the platform. This small step can make your digital photo collection much easier to navigate and enjoy. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy tech guides, and I will see you in the next video.